Good morning, Momentum Tribe. Spencer Combs here. I tried doing this video a couple times on my own, and sorry for the squinting, but I'm facing the sun. That way you guys don't have to. Check it out. Yes, I am at the beach. Tried doing this video multiple times, and I kept messing it up. And I said, you know what? Probably the best way for me to do this is just do it live, because that way you guys get to see me mess it up. Anyway, as you can tell, I'm here at the beach and here visiting some family. Got my wife's side of the family has a family reunion every so often, and they all decided to meet here at the beach, and I'm here along with them to hang out. And so I get up early and come out to the beach on a regular basis whenever I get a chance. I don't know if you guys are anything like me, but whenever you get into nature, I feel a little more connected to myself, to the spiritual side of my life, all that kind of stuff. So I like coming out early. That's part of the reason why I like going camping and doing those types of things, because I learned a long time ago it's really about connection for me. Anyway, so here's a couple thoughts I had this morning, sitting out here in a chair, checking things out, listening to the waves. I decided to throw in my headphones, or my headset, as you can tell, and did a guided meditation. So the thought that came to my mind was how often we like to talk about millionaire activities, $1 million things, people that, I wish, I'm a millionaire, I'm gonna make big bucks, I'm gonna do all this kind of stuff. I'm gonna tell you something, I've studied for years. I've gone to so many programs, processes, books, you can only imagine. I'm talking hundreds of them. And I would tell you that one of the most common denominators among big value people that bring a lot of value to the world, is the practice of meditation, the practice of a prayer life even. Years ago, growing up in hardcore legalistic churches, even in those churches, people that had the most influence were the ones that were really good at prayer. So I don't care at what level you want to talk about this. I know for me, and it's playing out to be true, that the more connected you are to yourself and spiritually, the better off you're going to be in terms of what kind of value you can bring to the world. So everybody wants to do $1 million stuff. Nobody wants to do millionaire habits, right? So hopefully the sun doesn't change. Here, how about this? You can look at the water. You might like that better. Anyway, some people would find that to be weird. You're doing a meditation process. Listen, I have found nothing that calms me down and focuses me. Because probably one of the most common questions I get is, Spencer, how do you keep up with all the crap you do? How do you do all that? Well, I'll tell you, it's simple. It's that one habit, that rhythm of every day focusing in a little bit on what we need to be doing to get ourselves ready, and then getting ourselves ready internally. And that's a mistake we make that we don't do, and but yet we want to have millionaire results. Well, the only way you get the results is by doing stuff. The only way you do stuff is when you get your emotions in the right place. The only way to get your emotions in the right place is to get your head in the right place. I don't want to keep rambling on here. I just thought that was kind of interesting this morning, how we all want to talk about millionaire activities, but we don't want to do the quiet stuff when we're by ourselves. By the way, what you do in the dark is going to say a lot about what you're going to do in the light. So when you're by yourself, that'll tell you a whole lot about what you're going to do out in the light. So give that some thought. Now, if you're interested, I actually use a very old guided meditation from Deepak Chopra. And I got others as well. There's apps for it. If you ever just want to sit down maybe for 10 minutes and do something like that, just look it up. There's multiple types of meditations. Personally, because I am, like I said, a Christian, I will actually integrate it into a prayer life. So whatever the meditation is about, I usually bring in and focus heavily on purpose in terms of from a scriptural or a Bible perspective. So I'm sure I can draw some fire on that, but whatever. I don't care. It's working, and I know what I believe, and I know what the Lord's doing for me in my life. Meditation is a big part of it. So, you want to be a millionaire, you want to do big things, then you got to do millionaire activities, and that includes, by the way, the little stuff. Y'all have a good day. Keep well. Keep moving forward.